Hi everyone, today we'll install together Fall Guys from the Epic Games Store. First, you use the Heroic Launcher to get access to your game to your accounts, and then you choose first to download inside the Wine Manager one of the WineG Proton versions. I recommend you try out the 722 first, because it's proven to work well with the game. Some later version might work as well. Once it's done, wait until it unzips, and now you can move to the next settings. We're gonna install the game. I will skip that part because it's fairly boring if you just have to wait. Now we are done. The game is installed, but you can't launch it yet. First, you have to go and modify the Fall Guys client ini file inside the folder where the game was installed. Then you can see it calls the Fall Guys ESC launcher. You want to remove that and instead call the Fall Guys client game.exe, which will bypass the launcher completely. Once you're done, you save the file. Next, you go in the Wine extension inside Fall Guys to install the DXVK and the prefix, and also the easy anti-cheat runtime, because you'll need that to play online. And since Fall Guys is mostly an online game, you probably want to have that in order to enjoy it. Next, you can go into the global settings, and then you want to actually go to Advanced and enable the ES overlay. This will download, so we'll skip that waiting bit. And once it's installed, you can move on to the next step. You have to go back inside Fall Guys. Now you go into the Wine Tricks to go and install some fonts on your wine prefix. So you select the default wine prefix. Okay. You install the fonts and you select, you will select afterward the core fonts. If you don't do that, the overlay will work, but you won't be able to read anything because it will not be able to display any fonts. So it's really critical that you do not skip that step. Next, while you're doing that, go back to the folder, into the easy anti-cheat folder of the game, get the SO file for the ESC library, and copy it into the plugins x8664 folder. Now you can see we are skipping forward to the core font installation. It's going to be done soon. And then the last step, you have to do tools inside the game, enable the EOS overlay. And then you should be finally able to launch the game and to enjoy it. That's it. It was under 4 minutes. And if you know any kid around you, show them Fall Guys, and there's a good chance they will love it. Till next time.